One thing that I hate the most is whenever a relative of mine enters my room without my permission, which is something very common at my place. So I decided to make a door alarm that would sound and let me know whenever somebody would open my door. And this is how I made it. So initially I came up with this circuit, but for some reasons when testing it, things were not going as I planned. And for this buzzer to actually go off, the door had to be fully open and be pressed really hard against this push button right here, which was definitely not what I want. So I went ahead and did a few modifications to the initial circuit and came up with this new idea, which is much better, as the buzzer would go off as soon as somebody would open the door, which is exactly what I'm looking for in my circuit. So I got my breadboard here, and let's go ahead and mount everything on our breadboard. The first step is to grab our reed switch and place it on the board. Once you're done, grab our capacitor and connect the positive terminal of the capacitor to one terminal of a reed switch. And next step is to grab one of those battery holders and connect it to a battery, and connect the positive terminal of the battery to the unused terminal of a reed switch, and the negative terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the capacitor. Once you're done, grab our 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to the port where the reed switch meets with the positive terminal of the capacitor. Once you are done, grab our transistor. This is a BC507 NPN transistor. So the collector is on my left, the base is in the middle, and the emitter is on the right. If ever you have any trouble with the transistor, just Google it and you will get its data sheet. Connect the base of the transistor to the resistor, and next step is to grab our buzzer. Connect the positive terminal of the buzzer to the positive terminal of the battery, and the negative terminal of the buzzer to the collector of the transistor. Grab one of those breadboard male connectors and connect the emitter of the transistor to the negative port of our battery, to the negative terminal of the battery. And once you're done, the circuit must be working just fine. So grab a small magnet and place it near a reed switch, and it should just go off. For some reasons, I lost the footage of the part where I was soldering everything on the strip board, and I can't really show you that part, and sorry about that, but it's very simple to solder everything on a board. So once you're done with soldering, you should end up with something like this, which is looking good. And I tested it out, mine is working just fine. So the next step is to grab everything and place it in a box. For my box, I got this old wall adapter, and when I opened mine, I found out that the circuit inside, the smoothing capacitor, was damaged. So I won't be using that anymore. But the transformer is definitely working good, so I'll be saving that for my next project. And this part right here that you plug on your wall, if you grab a pair of pliers and you just pull on it, it should come off pretty easily. Once you're done with that, you should end up with a box like this, and that's what we want. So I got my box right here, and the next step is to grab our circuit and place it in the box. One thing you want to make sure is that the reed switch is placed next to the part of the door that will be opening and closing, because that's where our magnet will be placed. So go ahead and place our circuit in the box. Place the buzzer as well. And put the other part of the box. Place the screws. and that's how our final product should look like. To fix the alarm on the door, I would be using some sticky stuff that I got right here. It's very cheap and does the job just fine, so I'll be using that. The thing looks like this. If you don't have sticky stuff, you can just use some hot glue or whatever glue you got. Just grab a piece of this blue thing and place it on the back part of your alarm, and now go ahead and place it on the door. As you can see on the other side of the door, I got a piece of sticky stuff with my magnet attached to it. What we will do now is just grab this alarm and place it next to the magnet. And right now it should be working just fine. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you think you learned something new today, then give me a thumbs up down below. Feel free to leave any comments, and if you want to support me, you can share this video. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next project.